So now in this video we're going to look at using an NPN bipolar junction transistor as a NOT gate. And ultimately what I did was I'm inverting light level. So right now light is falling on the light dependent resistor, which is keeping the transistor on. So we're considering the light dependent resistor on basically, and the LED is off. As you can see there, it is not glowing. But if I turn off the overhead light, now there's no light falling on the light dependent resistor. We kind of consider that off, but the LED is lit up, so it is on. So now the NOT gate schematic symbol is a triangle with a dot at the end. So the triangle by itself is a buffer. The signal in is the same as the signal out, but the little dot means that is inverted. So signal in is signal out, but then it's inverted, so it's the opposite. So what's in is the opposite of what's out. If you got the truth table, they use 1 and zeros. And so if you got in is 1, then out will be 0. If in is 0, then out will be 1. So we're considering 1 in this circuit to be either high enough voltage or on, and then 0 is a low enough voltage or off. So now we looked at the light dependent resistor voltage divider voltages before. We're not going to measure them again. But in any case, light falling on it makes it higher voltage there. But the NPN bipolar junction transistor only needs about 0.6 volts to conduct from base to emitter. So we're using the 2N3904 and collector on top, base in the middle, and emitter at the bottom because the flat side is to the right. Again, we covered all that before, so we're just going to kind of quickly go through it. But in any case, right now, that tiny trickle of current is enough to turn the transistor on. So as far as the LED is concerned, it has a low output right there connected to ground. So high enough in is a low out as far as the output is concerned. But if I turn the overhead lamp off, now you see the LED lit up. And that is because we basically turned off that light dependent resistor. We made it so we dropped the voltage at the base, which ultimately turns the transistor off. So you can see that current path right there where the LED will turn on when the light dependent resistor is turned off because there's not a light on it. That's one way to think of it. So in any case, this is just a demonstration circuit to kind of get you a little more familiar with NPN bipolar junction transistor NOT gates. But you see a similar circuitry quite a bit if you look at a lot of circuits. So I think this is still helpful, even though it's not really a practical circuit. But in any case, thanks for watching.